Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daniel.
Crazy, bro.
Happy birthday to you. Good morning. We're in our closet. We're gonna start the day. What do you want to do on your birthday? He literally keeps like, I don't know. Are we still in a state of unhappy?
I'm alright.
It's okay. Remember, we talked about this last night. If you haven't watched the latest episode of On Our BS, check that out. And we're talking about the state of being unhappy. It's okay. Even when it's your birthday, it's okay. And sometimes there's nothing in particular that triggers it. It is what it is.
My mouth is hurting me.
His mouth is still hurting him. Okay. Literally been offering him ibuprofen for like the last week or so, and he's still like, I don't take it. But today on his birthday, he gonna take it. That with a shot of tequila. No, don't do that. Do not do that. Okay, do not combine the two. But yeah, it's a birthday. And we gonna have some fun. Yay! Yeah. Making pizza for lunch. This is the Publix Italian pizza dough. It was $3.79. Comes like already rolled out. They used to do it in a bag, like just kind of a ball of dough. Now they roll it out and everything already pre-cut and stuff like that. They wrap it in like a wax paper, so you just kind of unfold it. I'm gonna put a couple like dimples in it. I didn't stretch it and do all that stuff. It's already like rolled, pre-rolled. So I'm just putting some dimples on it. I'm gonna put some sauce. I'm gonna do a cheese and maybe spinach pizza. Should this pizza? Yeah, maybe that. According to their directions, you preheat oven to 400. Place dough on lightly greased or non-stick pizza pan. Apply sauce and choice of toppings. Bake for 18 to 25 minutes. I like my dough kind of crispy. So, yeah. And let's stand for 5 minutes before slicing. I don't have pizza sauce, so I'm gonna combine some barbecue sauce and some pasta sauce. So this is the organic Texas True 365 Whole Foods, and then this one is a Good and Gather organic roasted garlic pasta sauce. So I have to look it up because I'm like, really, what's the difference between pasta sauce and pizza sauce? But pasta sauce has like chunks and stuff in it. Pizza sauce doesn't. It's really like smooth. I could care less. I'm not going on the street to go get pizza sauce. I usually actually always used to have pizza sauce because I used to do I used to make like those little like pizzas, like one small meal pizzas, combining the two of them to make a little something. And pizza, like when you're making pizza at home, it kind of really depends on your preference, right? So they don't really want you to put a lot of sauce on it because then it doesn't let the dough kind of like get crispy. But I've also had pizza where I'm like, yo, where's the sauce? So it's like a weird like fight of like which one is better. So I think this looks good to me. I am putting enough, but I don't want it to like be none. Okay, you feel me? So where's my cheese? I'm using Tillamook blend. Oh, let me show you this. Let me show you the sauce. This is how the sauce looks. And now I'm going to use Tillamook cheese. I'm going to put a layer of that. Okay. Okay, looking good. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Then I'm going to add some mushrooms. Dan doesn't like red onions, but I'm gonna put a little red onions. A little, okay? Don't tell him. What things were you forced to eat when you were younger that you were like, I don't like this? And your parents were like, no, you like it. You're gonna eat it. And then now as an adult, you're like, no, I refuse to eat it. So, I think you can hear Dan in the background. He just said mango. I had a bad experience with guava, where my father like forced me to eat it because it, you know, we went to like a family member's farm, and he was like, "No, it's good. You're gonna like it." And I was like, I smell it. I know I'm not gonna like it." Forced me to eat it. I was like, "Yeah, I definitely don't like it." And still to this day, I've gotten better, but still to this day, I'm like, I don't like guava. It's not my favorite, but like before, I used to be like, if I smell it in juice or whatever, I'm not eating it. So these are the toppings. I'm gonna add some more cheese on that, and we're gonna pop this in the oven. I'm telling you, this dough is so soft. It's really nice and soft. Hopefully it crisps up really well. I've had Publix dough before, so it should be good. Should I put anything on the crust part? You think I should put anything on the crust part? Like cheese or like Parmesan cheese or? I'm gonna add some Parmesan. Let's do it. Might as well, right? Let's do it. It's upstairs. Did you hear what he asked me? Right? So, I was gonna be petty, right? He asked me where the motion is, right? I could have said in my nose hole, right? Because like, who's walking around with motion in their pocket while they're cooking, right? But I chose to be good and respond to him and tell him it's upstairs. Choose your battles. So here is the pizza. Ciao bella, let's start. Oil on the crust, around it. That's what it said to do? Dan told me to put some oil on the crust. Hopefully that doesn't burn it. Hopefully it's okay. All right. Timer on. Timer's on. 15 minutes. I'm gonna do 15 minutes. And it says 18 to 25, so I'm gonna do 15. Come and check on it, you know. Ready to see the pizza? Here you go. I don't know what all that's about. Crust came out really well with the oil. So yeah, I would advise you put some olive oil around the rim. Dan made a good call on that one. So again, it's mushrooms, Italian blend, Tillamook cheese, a little bit of red onions. That's about it. I'm gonna let it rest for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna cut it and eat. Yeah, I cut that piece up like I used to work at Papa John's. Okay, look at that perfection. I ended up cutting up the brain. So the house is quiet, taking advantage of it. I'm gonna clean up. So watch me clean up. Cleaning up the living room, which always needs a reset after Kellan kind of ransacks the living room. And then I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. I'm doing some laundry as well. So I don't know if Dan got a chance to vlog today, but he did have a good day. Made some pizza. I think you guys saw that. We ended up making some like little lamb chops and veg for dinner. I don't know if we got that part, but Dan had a good day, so I'm happy. You know, I think the day before his birthday, he was feeling a little down, especially because his tooth is hurting him. But today, he kind of perked up. So if you're watching this, Dan, I hope you had a great birthday. You mean the world to me, and I thank you for the blessing of sharing another birthday with you. And I pray that we can share many, many more. But he's actually sleeping, so like I said, the house is quiet, so I'm gonna take advantage of that and clean up. So watch me clean. Dan just came downstairs and literally just scared it out of me unnecessarily. I'm down here cleaning and he just sneaking. Ask him why he's creeping down the stairs like that. And he's gonna tell me he not trying to scare me, but then he creeping down the stairs like that.
Like the Dell Air thing, I was like, yo, that shit is annoying. Like that.
All right, guys, thank you for all the love and support. We are going to fill up our Yetis and go to sleep. I hope you enjoyed this little cleaning segment. And this is just like one, this is not even like a major clean. This is literally just like a reset for the night. So I know all the moms and dads out there that are cleaning up. I know you understand that this is like a daily thing. But again, we had a great day. I hope you had a great day. We will see you on the next vlog. All right, guys. Bye.
I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.